When a popular applications like Netflix keeps stopping on a smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy A20, the problem could either be with the app, or a sign of a firmware issue. The error message literally means that the app keeps crashing, and the problem occurs whenever you open the application. Hey guys, I'm RJ from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Netflix that keeps crashing. First solution, try updating Netflix. When new updates are rolled out for Netflix, you would immediately know when you launch the app. So, if you're prompted with a dialog box that says an update is available, always make sure to update the app first. Launch Netflix. If a dialog box that says, "Please update the latest version of Netflix app to proceed" pops up, tap OK. You will be brought to the Play Store, and there, tap Update and wait until it's finished. Try launching the app after the update and see if it still crashes. Second solution, clear the cache and data of Netflix app. If the problem persists after an update, or if there's no update available for the app, then this is what you need to do next. This will reset the app back to its default settings and configuration, and if it's just an issue with the app, then this should be able to fix it. Here's how you do it. Go to the screen where the Netflix icon is located. Tap on the Netflix icon until options show. Tap App Info. Touch Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now, tap Clear Data and touch OK to confirm. After this, try to launch the app and see if the problem still continues. Third solution, reset all settings of your phone. Netflix comes as a pre-installed app on your Galaxy A20, so you cannot remove or uninstall it like another app. If the problem continues after the previous procedure, then you simply have to reset all settings in your phone to fix the problem. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. When it comes to app issues, these procedures are all you need to do, especially if the app you're dealing with is a pre-installed one. I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been able to help you one way or another. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.